students, hope you all are well and studying also at home. Today we are in the last part of chapter 1, that is possessive noun. By this chapter we will end chapter 1. We have started many more chapters, but chapter 1, two things were left, that is singular, plural and possessive nouns. Last day I have given you the countable noun, uncountable noun and singular, plural, and today is the last part, that is possessive noun. Possessive noun shows us the possession. That means whose this, who belongs to this, anything. If we will ask in the class, whose book is this? Everyone shouts that this is Raunak's book or Pulkit's book or Kainat's book. So for this, we are telling, see, Kainat's, Pulkit's. So in this case, we will not write Pulkits because then Pulkit will be many Pulkits, isn't it? So we will put a apostrophe over there. Like see, Minu's pet, M-E-N-U apostrophe S. This one is apostrophe, okay. This sign is called apostrophe. It is very, very important in possessive noun. Otherwise, the meaning will be changed. The girl's bicycle, if I will not give this apostrophe over there, this sign over there, then it will be plural form of girl, okay. That means many girls will be mentioned. See, Minu's, girls, here ships, natures. So this apostrophe is very important in possessive noun. Minu's pet means the pet belonging to Minu. The girl's bicycle, the bicycle belonging to the girl. We can also talk about possessions by using of. Like the ship's whistle, the whistle of the ship. Nature's beauty, the beauty of nature. So here is the practice one. Use of to change the following as shown. The sun's rays, the rays of the sun. So next one will be the flower's petals, the petals of the flower. The boy's surprise, the surprise of the boy. The children's toys, the toys of the children. The ocean's depth, the depth of the ocean. The river's bed, the bed of the river. Next is of is used. Now we will use apostrophe S. The feathers of the eagle. So we will say eagle's feather. What we will say? Eagle's feather. Okay. The dress of the baby's dress. We will write baby's, B-A-B-Y apostrophe S. The color of the leaves, the leaves color, L-E-A-V-E-S apostrophe color. Okay. The friends of the girls, G-I-R-L-S apostrophe S, friends. G-I-R-L apostrophe S. Don't forget to give the apostrophe. If you will not give the apostrophe, then the answer will be wrong. The stem of the plant, the plant's stem. Like this, here are some examples. You have to do this one. This one is homework. This one I will not tell. I will give it tomorrow. Okay. So this one is also, I have given this one in your homework. The child, children, woman, women, buffalo, buffaloes, mouse, mice, house, houses, wife, wives, bridge, bridges, glass, glasses, boy, boys, baby, babies, church, churches, scarf, scarves, party, parties, fox, foxes. But in a possessive one, you have to write child's, C-H-I-L-D apostrophe S. Woman's, W-O-M-A-N apostrophe S. Buffaloes, B-U-F-F-A-L-O apostrophe S. Mouse, in possessive one you have to write M-O-U-S-E apostrophe. Okay, mouse. House is also like that, H-O-U-S-E apostrophe. Wives, W-I-F-E apostrophe S. Bridges, BRIDGE apostrophe S. Like this you have to do. So practice at home. I will give the answers tomorrow. Okay. Until then, have a nice time. Goodbye.